Estate Planning Online Tools app. The pros, the cons. The Estate Planning Online Tools app is designed to simplify the process of creating wills, trusts, and other key documents. Most people get this wrong by putting off planning until it's too late, but the surprising truth is that digital tools can make estate planning accessible, affordable, and legally sound. One major pro is convenience. The app provides step-by-step guidance, allowing you to set up a basic will or trust in a matter of minutes. For example, you can designate beneficiaries, appoint guardians for minors, and outline asset distribution without hiring a lawyer for routine cases. Another advantage is affordability. Compared to traditional legal services, these platforms are often much cheaper, while still offering legal templates and guidance. You won't believe how many people spend thousands unnecessarily when a well-structured app can handle most scenarios. The cons include limitations for complex estates. High-value estates, international assets, or unique tax situations may still require professional attorney input. Additionally, users must ensure all documents are properly executed, witnessed, and compliant with state laws to be valid. In conclusion, the Estate Planning Online Tools app is a practical solution for individuals seeking to take control of their legacy. It provides guidance, convenience, and cost savings while simplifying an often overwhelming process. While not a full substitute for specialized legal advice in complex cases, it's a strong first step for most families.